꽃이 light up the sky. 네 두 눈을 보며 kiss you bye. 실컷 비웃어라 꼴조니까 이제 너희 하나 둘 셋. How you like that? You gon' like that? Da 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 da. How you like that? Bada bing, bada boom, boom, boom. How you like that?
Friends and followers and subscribers, this is Maggie Negan, the Walking Dead Fangirl 27. How's everyone doing today? So right now, this is going to be my first nail tutorial, and I'm sorry if my nail tutorial becomes all sloppy and not perfect like everyone else's channel. So I'm going to do my best of doing the theme of my favorite 90s movie is Hocus Pocus. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, Hocus Pocus is a wonderful Walt Disney movie that directed by Kenny Ortega, starring Betty Miller, Sarah Jessica Parker, and of course, Kathy Najimy. So this is going to be so awesome to theme my favorite Halloween movie, and this is going to be a continuation of my Halloween vlogs. So sit back, relax, but before you hit that play button, wait a second everybody. If you guys are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button right now and follow my social media links down below. And don't forget to follow my hubby's channel as well. He does unboxing, art, wonderful stories. So you guys should check him out and definitely follow him as well on his social media as well. So hit that play button right about now.
Thank you, Max, for that marvelous introduction. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I ain't lied. Oh, been 300 years, right down to the day. Now the witch is back, and there's hell to pay. Oh, look, another glorious morning. Makes me sick on you. I smell children. Hello, sailor. My name's Wilfred. What's gone? I put a spell on you, and now you're gone. And beautiful. Boys will love my honey fell on you, and it was strong. Your wretched little lives have all been cursed because of all the witches working, and the worst, I put a spell on you, and now you're mine. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. She's lying. If you don't believe, you'd better get superstitious. Ask my sister.
And boom, there it is. A beautiful Sanderson sister themed color nails. Designed by yours truly, Maggie Negan, the Walking Dead Fangirl 27. What do you guys think? Not bad, I must say. I like the colors. It looks so Halloweeny, if you know what I mean. I just did a joke there, right? So if you guys really like this kind of tutorial, you should try it for yourself. And this is for the ladies, or any the gents want to try this kind of theme as well. And just want to let you guys know, I finally got my copy of the Hocus Pocus all-part sequel. I almost had the last chance to get it because they're running out. So get your own copy today. And don't forget to watch Hocus Pocus on your own DVD or video, or also watch it on Freeform on demand as well. Not sponsored by them, by the way, but I'd love to. But have a wonderful, spectacular Halloween and enjoy the tutorial. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys want to check out my other Halloween vlogs. So I'm going to be doing a lot of these things with you guys. And this is going to be really, really exciting. And it's going to be spectacular. I'm going to be watching a lot of Halloween movies. And I probably want to do a review on them and have my opinion. But other than that, I can also read you guys the book from that movie as well. And you probably want to hear from me how I like the book. And I really want to say this book is amazing. So yeah, I'm just so excited for Halloween, you guys. And once again, we only got 18 days left. So enjoy your Halloween, be safe, stay healthy. And I want to say, send you guys all my love. And look at that, we reached 597 subscribers. Give you guys a hand right now. See? Bravo. Bravo, that is. So if you guys want to tell me your Halloween, stories, feel free to comment down below. So this is Maggie Negan, the Wooden Girl 27, signing off. I love you all. I love you, my brother, happy kind. I love you. Mwah. Happy Halloween, everybody. Talk to you guys later. See you in my next video. Bye.